grand niece. The mother's my niece. They come from a very noble family in Engr. So what's happening here today is not a surprise to me. It's almost like a family tradition. You guys have kept it up and I really, really appreciate it. And I want to tell you again, between Chinyere and Prince, you've made us proud. I want to congratulate you on behalf of the family. Thank you so very much, and I'm very happy to be a part of this celebration. Thank you.
We give Engr Chike Ihekwaba a round of applause. Now we're going to call on the doctor to give us just one word, please. Seest thou a man diligent in his work, he will stand before kings and not mean men. So just talk to us, doctor. Professors, one and Ebo.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time to be here and celebrating with my family. To my father, thank you so much for everything you've done for this family. You continue to be a rock, a support, and we're just so grateful for your wisdom and your leadership and your courage. For my mother, the strength that you have, please don't do this, okay? The strength that you have for us, I can't even explain it to words. And I'm so grateful to be your daughter. To my brother, you're my rock, you're a pain in my hind, but I absolutely, positively love you. I'm so proud of the man that you are becoming and the man that you are today. And to my little sister, the next in line, my love and my joy, I just want to say just thank you for making me laugh and just being the princess that you are. To my friends, I see you, my U City crew, my Rosemont crew, my PCOM crew. I'm just so grateful that you took the time to just celebrate with me and my family and doing something as great as this. To all my extended family, my aunts, my uncles, the Ara community, the Ebo Kwenu, Africa Kwenu, Nigeria Kwenu, hey, okay? I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart because honestly, this accomplishment took a village and you guys were a part of that village, so thank you again.
My. I love it. Look, let me tell you guys, it's not good for a man to be alone. Shine your eyes tonight, oh. Shine your eyes tonight. It's not good for a man to be alone. I never knew my wife from anywhere. It was just in this type of occasion. I see a lady dancing and I approach her. The first time I approached her was the day I married her. And my ration. So now it's dinner. I would like to tell us one thing. Junior is only back hunting. Junior ne lanya lendi anochanga. Onye na mo na nkwere yo bewe akwanye loro diruma.
Alrighty. I'll start off by saying Ndewo. If I can just have everyone's attention really quickly, please, if everyone can just please be quiet for me, please, and take a listen. So I just want to use this moment to, I'm really just speaking to my family right now, and I need everyone to hear everything that I'm saying. So this has been a long journey, as my father has said. We've definitely been through our trials, our tribulations, and definitely our successes. But I need to thank everyone individually, and I need you all to hear every single word. So for starters, the head of the house, my father. So this man right here is the rock, the foundation. He is the strength of this family. This family has been through a lot, but he has seen a vision for this family, and he kept this family going. So I appreciate you, Dad. I truly, truly appreciate you. Mama, the apple of my eye. This lady is like the skeleton of the family. Without her, nothing works. If it's an off day for her, then it's an off day for the family. So I thank you, Mom, for always being there for all of this, for being my superwoman. I love you tremendously. To my big sister, no, I'm about to cry now. Okay, to my big sister, You've been like the role model to me. Thankfully, we're not too far apart in age, but I've had you as the person I could look to figure out what success looks like. So I appreciate you. I appreciate you for being that to me. And to my little sister, as my big sister said, the next in line, Erima, I love you. I love messing with you. And I appreciate you for keeping a smile on the faces of this family. To everyone here today, thank you so much for coming out. Very much appreciated. I promise we're about to get to the food. Thank you for waiting. And please, when we start dancing, every single person, please dance. Thank you.
Please clap for him. I'm telling you, I like the way guys talk about their wives and their mother. I told my wife, Eshiwe werege nla. Eshiwe wepure nla. So, dinner time. I'm telling you.
My brother showed you love, when you see me, spread me my love. When I am out, show you love, spread you my love.
Dollar, now selling, my cheerful giver.